Good morning, good morning. Day 28 out of 30 of the 4 hours challenge. So, I started this day at 6 a.m., drank my 2 glasses of water, and be part of the gentle, energizing wake up online. And now, I went to run. Today, unfortunately, only 2 kilometers because I have to back at home and prepare my sons for school because it started, no homeschooling anymore. Hopefully, I won't beg anymore. It's so different when kids are at school. Even if it is 4.5 hours, it's life-changing. It's life-changing. I mean, I can go work. I can do my work at home, online, and so much more. So I'm so grateful for that. And for now, that's it. Thank you for being here. Hello, my name is Malgorzata. Warm welcome on my channel and on my 4 areas challenge. I am here to make you realize that everything is really possible just by everyday commitments, step by step, small commitments every day. Speaking for myself, I didn't think that it's possible to wake up every day on early at 6 a.m. and feel good and feel well. And this challenge is about to make a habit which will allow us to feel good during the day and allow us to commit better and so much more. Just be more productive in general. These 4 areas are health. Health is about nutrition, exercise, and mobility. Nutrition is, we know. Drink water, eat healthy food, vegetables, fruits, make exercise at home with some videos, or go to run. Wealth is about learn, do and teach. When we learn something, we feel so much better. When we do something, accomplish, and teach somebody, it's so good feeling. And self, mindfulness, journal, and self-care. Meditation, at least 15 minutes. Listen motivational stuff, videos on YouTube, whatever. Read motivational books, read a book in general. Journal ourselves about what is happening around, but not too much positive news. And self-care, if you wash your hairs and do something for you. And social, connect, impact, and have fun. And others, when we connect with people, we feel much more better, right? Impact somebody in a positive way. Have fun with family, with friends. Do something really maybe easy, but it's so important and I have to improve on it. And so, let's roll on. So let's summarize this day. Very exciting. So, in area of health, started with 2 glasses of water as usual. The orange juice from a fruit, fresh orange. Then I went to run, as you know, 8 kilometers I did. 8 kilometers. While I'm running, I'm listening the motivational videos. It helps me very much to feel better and boost my self-esteem. Very helpful. It's a habit. Then on this area, yes, stretching. After stretching, necessary. So let's go on the area of wealth. Yeah, unfortunately, not so much working on my business, but yeah, did some houseworks in the teach sheets. Let's go on area of self. So, journaling. Why did my cold shower? In the I just listen the news. And let's move to social. While I went to run, I stopped to say hello a friend. Now these times physical contact. It's now physical contact is nearly impossible because of coronavirus. So it was so good to talk with somebody one-to-one. And then I called my sisters called me, two of them, on Messenger, because they live in Poland. And I called my brother, one of my brothers, because he's turning into 46 today. Today is his birthday. And that was very, very, very nice, because we don't talk often. Especially with brothers. And him was very happy. Also, in the area of self, I did meditation, and in meditation of Chopra meditation on open air, sitting on the grass, connected with the earth, and feeling the warmth of sun. That was something amazing. I really advise it. Wonderful sensation and wonderful feelings. Very uphealing, very much uphealing. Then, in the afternoon, I went to with my kids on bicycles. And we met a friend. They did something like 2 kilometers. For them it's a start only, so it's good. And I ran because I don't have still my bicycle here. And they played 3 hours on open air. Very, very precious time. So for today, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to see you tomorrow. And remember, subscribe, like, share, hit the bell and comment. Bye bye.